What's up, you guys? Andrew Bullock here from Big T's Fitness. I'm sitting here at work eating my delicious curry tofu Instapot bowl. It is amazing, so many greens and colors, but people keep asking me, how do you make this? So I want to see if this is something that you guys want to see. So let's get into the video and we'll go over making this amazing food for you. With a splash of water to saute. There you go. All right, you guys, now this is getting good and hot. We're gonna put in about 2 cups of onion. God, I hate cutting onions. Gosh, it hits me in like waves. It's awful. And that should get nice and sizzly, really nice. All right, now we're gonna put in this nice orange bell pepper and a good couple pinches of salt, since we're not using any broth or anything. This is a lot of veg. All right, if you want to go with any other type of pepper, that's fine. We can go with a red pepper, or if you are not red pepper or a green pepper or anything like that, but if you don't like the onion, you could even go with a shallot to make it a little less oniony. I like onions, so. All right, we're going to be using the diced fire roasted tomatoes. You want just a little bit of the juice in there to start with, just so that when the water evaporates, it doesn't start burning. All right, and here's about 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to slide that on in there. Nicely chopped, nicely chopped. Because we love garlic. Make sure you keep mixing it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. We don't like sticks. Turmeric. Gram masala. A lot of gram masala. A little too much gram masala. Oh crap, looks like it's burning. Got some chili powder. And then some cumin. Nice healthy dose. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you could smell this, holy moly. So delish. A little bit more tomato juice. Very nice, very nice. Got 2 cups of potatoes and 2 cups of raw carrots. And never forget to pay your kitchen help. There you go. Is that good? I love meal prep, Daddy. Very nice. Look at all that color, you guys. Man, you just can't beat color when it comes to a plant-based diet, because it is so plentiful and beautiful looking. All right, we're using 1 bag of cauliflower from Costco, the cauliflower rice, I mean. You can use and do all the work of making your own cauliflower rice, but this is just super nice and easy because you can just literally throw it in. And then we got 1 cup of split peas. You guys, seriously, can this get any easier than this? To just literally throw it in, leave it, forget it, and you got delicious food, homemade. Favorite Instapot curry. We're going to do another dash of salt. Alright, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. My wife's awesome, and so she's just doing a free ball. I can't do that because I will pour like 5 times as much. The rest of the diced tomatoes, we got the fire roasted garlic ones. Those are going to be amazing. And 1 can of coconut milk. That's going to be like some sauce for it. It's going to be so good. And then just a little water to just help it all mix together. Again, I will have all the exact measurements and everything down below for you guys. Now we're going to put in the last ingredient, and that is 1.5 blocks of firm tofu. So not only does it have all this color and everything, guys, then you're getting a ton of plant-based protein. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. That looks so good just like that. Just don't even bother cooking it.
Split peas are raw.
Uh-oh. We lost a cube. Put the cube back in. There was no tofu harmed in the making of this film.
got 1.5 blocks tied.
All right, you guys, we're gonna put the top on this thing. See if I can do it one-handed. Nope. Thank you, assistant. Oh, beautiful sound. Now we're gonna be hitting the meat stew just to give it an extra zing. All right, once that's finished, then you just put a good size handful of cilantro and kale in it and mix that bad boy up. And there you have it, you guys. You got a tofu curry, vegan, no oil, Instapot curry. It is amazing. Throw that over rice, throw it in a burrito, whatever you want, you guys. Well, that's it, you guys. An awesome Instapot curry with tofu. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. Make sure you hit the like button if you found this useful. Let me know if this is something that you would like to see more videos about, because I really want to help you guys change for the better every single day, and it starts in the kitchen. You guys have an amazing day, and thank you for stopping by and checking out Big T's Fitness.